Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Union Ministers, Secretary INB, members of the Steering Committee, distinguished members of juries, His Excellency Ambassador of France and Ambassador of Spain, international delegates, friends from the world of world cinema and media. It's my privilege and honor to officially welcome you to the 53rd International Film Festival of India in Goa. The International Film Festival of India presents unique opportunities and incredible possibilities for young and established filmmakers to network, pitch, collaborate and experience the best from the world of cinema. Cinema captures and chisels the conflux of a country's rich culture, legacy, heritage, hopes and dreams, aspirations, ambitions, and most importantly, the collective conscience of its people at a given time in history. The concept and theme of IFFI is rooted in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, a phrase which embodies the essence, people, peaceful coexistence where the world is one family. In fact, India's rising global role and the presidency of the G20, जी हाँ, इस साल G20 की प्रेसिडेंसी किसी और को नहीं, भारत को ये सम्मान मिला है, revolves around this theme of the one earth, one family, one future under the able leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. The 53rd IFFI is all set to be a melting pot of myriad vibrant cultures and spectacle of cinematic excellence. A whopping 282 films from 72 countries will be screened this year at the 53rd IFFI. 25 features as well as 20 non-feature films will be showcased at the Indian Panorama section from a broad spectrum of entries. This edition of IFFI has arrived on the shores of Goa, bringing with it the best of international cinema, along with a special section such as the Cinema of the World, International Competition, UNESCO Film Section, sections of retrospectives, homages, tributes, and children's films, amongst others. Similar to last year, where we initiated many firsts, we are continuing in that spirit with some more firsts that this film festival will witness. For the first time, IFFI will host gala premieres of Indian films, foreign films and original series from OTT platforms with the featured stars who have especially come to support their films. In fact, the first episode of the 4th season of one of the most awaited drama series will also be premiering here at the 53rd IFFI. I will leave you guessing by only sharing that they are one of the Israel's biggest stars. और ये इज़राइल के बड़े सितारे जो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर बहुत पॉपुलर सीरीज इनकी आई है, उसका अगले सीज़न का प्रीमियर भी कहीं और नहीं, उनकी स्टार कास्ट के साथ गोवा में ही होने वाला है. It has been our vision that we embrace new age platforms such as OTTs and make them an inclusive part of the festival. Earlier this year, we celebrated the 75 long years of diplomatic relations with France, marked by a bilateral meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Emmanuel Macron. And in another first, this was followed by India being the country of honor at the Marshall Films at the 75th Cannes Film Festival. जी हाँ, 75वां वर्ष कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल का भी था, 75वां वर्ष भारत और फ्रांस के डिप्लोमेटिक रिश्तों का भी था, 75वां वर्ष भारत की आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव का भी था, और दुनिया को पहला सम्मान किसी देश को मिला तो हमारे भारत को कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल में मिला. And continuing in this spirit, I am delighted to welcome France as the country of focus at the 53rd edition of IFFI. The French Republic is known for its rich and innovative film tradition and history. I extend my greetings to the French ambassador, Mr. Emmanuel, and filmmakers as part of the delegations to India. Further, for the first time, IFFI has augmented the scope of Film Bazaar by introducing country pavilions. I request all of you to please visit the new Film Bazaar. You can look at various film festivals across the world. Our Film Bazaar is as good as or maybe better than those marketplaces in any of the film festivals across the globe. In fact, they will also include state governments, industry players, ministers, apart from nations of the world. I invite you to explore over 40 pavilions, and that will be showcased at the 15th edition of Film Bazaar. Further, I am delighted to share with you all that this year again, we have given wings to new ideas and innovation. For the first time, IFFI will have a technology hub to showcase the latest innovations for the cinema world. Next up is something very close to my heart and was born last year from the Honorable Prime Minister's vision to give the youth a platform to showcase their talent. And upholding the spirit of our youthful and dynamic country in its second edition, out of nearly 1,000 entries across 10 categories such as direction, editing, playback singing, script writing, animation, acting, amongst others. 75 creative minds of tomorrow have been selected after a rigorous process by eminent jury comprising of lifetime awardees, NFA, Grammy and Oscar winners, and the selected 75 young filmmakers or the selected 75 filmmakers are seated among us today. Please put your hand together to welcome them. I welcome you all to IFFI to explore, experience and engage with the brightest minds in the industry. They represent 19 states. So these 75 representatives come from 19 states, coming from places like Jaintia Hills from Meghalaya, Lakhimpur from Assam, Khodda from Odisha, and so on. And the youngest among them is 18 years old. Yes, 18 years old. And my best wishes for your 53-hour challenge, and may the best film win. Moving on, I take great pride in highlighting that in this edition of IFFI, we will commemorate 50 years of Manipuri cinema by showcasing a specially curated package of notable feature and non-feature Manipuri films. The first Manipuri film was Matamgi Manipuri, and the film won the President Medal, Rashtriya Chalachitra Puraskar at the 20th National Film Awards held in 1973. In another first, to make the festival more inclusive and accessible for everyone, we have made special provisions for specially abled. जी हाँ, दिव्यांगजन के लिए special प्रावधान भी किए गए हैं, keeping in mind their accessibility needs. The films in this section will be audio-visual equipped with embedded with audio descriptions and subtitles. In line with our government's inclusive vision under the Honorable Prime Minister, I am also happy to share that the Film and Television Institute of India, popularly known as FTII, will be taking 2 special courses for specially abled. One basic course on smartphone filmmaking curated by artistic individuals, and a basic course in screening acting curated by wheelchairs for wheelchair users. Moving on, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the winner of the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award for 2022, Mr. Carlos Saura from Spain, and I am thankful that his daughter is here among us today. He is a great filmmaker, 93-year-old, but still, despite everything, his family has come all the way. We welcome them in Goa and thank you for making it. He is a master who has devoted his life to the art of filmmaking and distinguished himself as one of the greatest in the field of filmmaking, photography and writing. I would also like to acknowledge Spanish delegation present here today and led by Mr. Carlos, President of the Spanish Film Commission, His Excellency, Ambassador of France or Spain, and for those cinema lovers who can't make it, I am delighted to share that you must log on to our new website and explore virtual IFFI to attend master classes by industry experts, view in conversation sessions with industry leaders, watch film, etc. till 13th of December. And before I end, I would like to thank Mr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, for making arrangements here. His team has been doing a fantastic job. मैं सरकार को तो धन्यवाद देता हूँ, अगर जनता ना आए तो कोई भी कार्यक्रम हो वो सफल नहीं हो सकता। आप सब ने आकर इस ईफी के 53rd एडिशन को सफल बनाया है, आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। और अगर आपको लगता है कि अगले वर्ष का जो 54th ईफी होगा उसमें क्या नयापन, क्या और जोड़ना चाहिए, क्या कुछ आप और देखना चाहते हो जो दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ पर आए, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप सब अपने सुझाव गोवा की सरकार को भेज सकते हैं, हमें भेज सकते हैं। मैं इतना ज़रूर कहूँगा कि प्रमोद जी जब गोवन कुजीन की बात कर रहे थे, गोवा कल्चर की बात कर रहे थे, गोवा सिनेमा की बात कर रहे थे, तो कहीं ना कहीं अंदर से उनकी एक ही आवाज़ आ रही थी कि आइए और बार बार आइए, गोवा घूमने भी आइए, सिनेमा के लिए भी आइए, यहाँ की कला संस्कृति को देखने के लिए आइए। आपका नाम ही ऐसा है, गो मिस जाओ, आ मिस आजा, गो आ। तो आप जाने के साथ साथ आने का बुलावा भी दे रहे, तो मुझे लगता है ये अपने आप में एक ऐसा डेस्टिनेशन बना है कि इसको कोई और रिप्लेस अब कर नहीं सकता। देश और दुनिया के फिल्म जगत में गोवा ने एक अपनी पहचान बनाई है और अगले साल हम इससे बड़ा और इवेंट लेकर गोवा में आएंगे और आशा करता हूँ अगले साल आप आकर फिर इफ़ी की शान बढ़ाएंगे। देश और दुनिया के कोने से आए हुए सभी अपने फिल्म कलाकारों का, फिल्म निर्माता निर्देशक का मैं सबका आभार प्रकट करना चाहता हूँ। मित्रों, हमारे लिए अवसर है कि आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनाते मनाते हम लोग अमृत महोत्सव से अमृतकाल की ये यात्रा में अगले 25 वर्षों में भारत को दुनिया का फिल्म शूटिंग के लिए, को प्रोडक्शन के लिए, कोलैबोरेशन के लिए, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन के लिए और टेक्नोलॉजी हब बनाने के साथ साथ कॉन्टेंट हब बनाने का काम करें। ये यात्रा जो हमारी अमृतकाल तक की होगी, जहां हम अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में भारत को दुनिया में नंबर 1 बनाएंगे। आज ये संकल्प लेते हैं कि सिनेमा जगत में भी हमारा भारत विश्व गुरु बनेगा। इस बात का संकल्प हम इस धरती से लेकर जाएंगे। ना केवल दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा फिल्म निर्माता, ना केवल दुनिया के सबसे बड़े फिल्म बनाने वाला देश, बल्कि दुनिया का एक केंद्र बिंदु फिल्मों को लेकर बने। चाहे वो मार्केट की बात हो, फिल्में बनाने की बात हो, ये सब संभावनाएं हैं। हमारे पास टैलेंट की कोई कमी नहीं है, साधनों की कोई कमी नहीं है, शूटिंग की साइट्स की कोई कमी नहीं है। तो अपने ऊपर विश्वास होना चाहिए। हमें विश्वास जगा है मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में। मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है भारत नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएगा। एक बार फिर सभी कलाकारों का, सभी फिल्म जगत की हस्तियों के साथ साथ गवर्नर साहब, सीएम साहब, यूनियन मिनिस्टर्स, फिल्म कलाकारों के साथ सबका बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद। भारत माता की बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir. One more thank you for Shri Anurag Singh Thakur.